was your favourite game when you were a kid?
Called 5 stones. It was actually these little golden cubes that you would put on your hand, and you need to throw them in there and flip them and flip your hand and catch them in your hand. And there's like a few techniques to do that and a few levels, and it was really fun. And the nice thing about it that you can take it everywhere because it's like these tiny little cubes.
Did you have any like really fun memories about it?
Yeah, we played it at school all the time, even during classes. Yeah, it was just nice, like during talking or something. You don't need to think about it a lot. You just do it.
Yeah.
All the time.
I think it shows that you really care about the game you're playing, and it also shows that, like, if you put your mind to something, you can do it.
But once you start it, you just go along with it. It's actually really fun.
I like gymnastics because you can go upside down.
So Yahtzee was really good fun, and it's a game with dice. You have 5 dice and you take it in turns and you shake the dice and you get 3 shakes, and then you get a little combination out of all 3, and then you tick them off on a little sheet, and the winner is the one who's ticked them all off after all the goes.
My dad has a very big interest in art. My mum says she's not good at it, but I think she is. So my mum doesn't really like doing art, even though I try to make her over and over again. My dad, on the other hand, absolutely loves it. Kind of expressing yourself. There's a lot of famous pieces, such as The Scream, where people can't really express themselves with words, so they express it through their art, and it's really good to help.
Space Invaders, I don't know, because it was new, it was different, it was the the birth of computer games, and it was very difficult. Again, bear in mind you had to spend whatever it was, 50p a pound for every single game, and the game didn't last very long. So you required a lot of money. Yeah.
It shows that you want to like be like yourself, and like you know who you are, and like you want to play hard, and it just when you try, it's like you're trying your best, just trying to play as hard as you can. But
sometimes it can like be too competitive that people can start getting upset because of it.
I think my favorite game was strategy games, playing strategy games with my friends.
What did you like that game?
I liked this game because it was creative. It was never the same game, and I liked the fact that we had to socialize, create teams with our friends, and compete against and play against teams of other friends.
some people just try and try again, because it's not the artwork that matters, it's the experience that you get.
Do you try again in the same way, or do you...
If maybe a couple times in the same way, and if it doesn't work out, try different techniques, because maybe that's just not a good technique for you.
I think that parents should play more games, because then they could get stronger and they could experience things that they never think that they could experience.